Hello students, welcome in our chapter 6 AOD. Application of derivative students. Yes, today we are going ahead exercise 6.5 in practical word problems to relate maximum and minimum values. Yes students, it's very interesting questions. Exercise 6.5 question number 13. Find two numbers whose sum is 44 and whose product is as large as possible. It means product when you define maximum. The two numbers is in additions to 44. So very easy. We are going first. It's related to this number 44. Suppose two numbers be x and 44 minus x. This is my answer. But its product is, so here its product, just applying the x with the 24 minus x product, you can get fx. Now fx ready. Steps 1, steps 2, steps 3 and steps 4. So I am going ahead. Steps 1, f plus x. Here 24, 2x. F double plus x, 0 minus 2. Yes, it is permanently less than 0. Means what? Yes, it is maximum. Now step 2. What is step 2? If first derivative is equal to 0, taking. Students, method is same, na? Previous numerical is this. Only purpose for find out your functions. So f plus x 24 minus 2x. You get easily x is equal to 2. Now step 3. At x is equal to 12. We just taking f double plus x. This is double plus x minus 2. There is no value for define another minus 2. It is what? Less than 0. Maximum. Therefore fx, it means what? Product is maximum. So fx is maximum at x is equal to 12. And last step 4. What's your fx? Have two numbers. One of the x and 24 minus x. Yes, x and 24 minus x. You just put it down there, 12. And 24 minus 12. So my answer is students 12 and 12. If you added both, get the 20. But if you product it, sure, as large as, it means it is maximum. And yes students, our numerical is happily done. Now students, coming to same questions is parallel to 13th one. Find out two positive numbers x and y. Both sum is 60 and x into y cube is maximum. Students, this numerical I explained in two ways. One of the shortcut way, MCQ ways, and then after legal method. So students, in MCQ ways, the same question you just operate very quickly and easiest answer. You want to x y cube, it means x into y into y into y. There are 4 factors. I want to total numbers is not 60. So you just taking here in MCQ 60 divided by 4 because here 4 numbers. Over sum, it is 15. So you are taking 15 one time here and taking 15 to all this here. It means your answer 15 and 3 times 15 means 45. Finished. One number is 15, other is 45, total is 60. And individually, one of the x and y cube is maximum. You taking 115 and 145. It means your two answers is done. 15 and 45 is done. Yes, is MCQ ways. Very easily. Previous numerical 13 also same. 24 sum, and that is of the two numbers. Product in x and y. direct 24 divided by 12 answers. Yes. Now I go to method wise. Yes, students. Now method is what? Here x plus y 60. So definitely y equals 60 minus x. Now you can create this data. X y cube. Yes, x y cube. Put in the y and you create that is your fx. So x with 60 minus x cube. And here the function is negative. Now what? Step 1. Now after that same rule, students, first derivative, here 60 minus x the whole cube is 3 times 60 minus x the whole square, 0 minus 1, plus, now 60 minus x the whole cube, x derivative is 1. So finally you just take out something common in the board. 60 minus x the whole square common, we have to remain minus 3x, and here 60 minus x. So finally, first derivative we have to 60 minus x whole square, 60 minus 4x. Now going to second order derivative. So what is second order derivative? First and second product. So 60 minus x the whole square. This derivative is 0 minus 4. Same. 60 minus 4x. And this derivative is 2 times 60 minus x the 1 power and 0 minus 1. Don't worry, as it is written there. Now, what is my step 2? We taking first derivative is equal to 0. This is your first derivative. 60 minus x whole square and 60 minus 4x is equal to 0. So indeed is 0. You take all one times. So 60 minus x whole square 0. Definitely x is equal to 60, but it is not possible because if you put in y 60 minus x, it is 60 minus 60, it is 0, not exist. Why not exist? Read the question. Find out two positive numbers. This is not a positive. It means here this case is fine. Now, one more. 60 minus 4x is equal to 0. You have to x is equal to 15 and y is equal to same concept 60 minus x. 60 minus 15, we get 45. Check. This 15 and 45 are two answers. Already I written in the shortcut MCQ. And last, my step 3 at x is equal to 15, we check now f double dash x. Always checking at double dash x. This is your double dash x. Putting down the 15, here 15 for the 60 is already 0. So your answer is 60 minus 15 the square into 0 minus 4 plus 0. 15 for the 60, 0 minus 0, total 0. Means my answer is what? Here this answer is 60 minus 15, 45 square into minus 4, definitely less than 0. It means this function of x have your value is maximum. Therefore, at x 15, y 45, fx means x square, y is to 5. This one, x square, so not x square, only x, y is to cube is maximum. Yes, students, these are question properly written, and that's your numerical students here easily. 15, 40 is done, but main IMP, these are MCQ steps wise. Students, 15 same as I explained after that. One more thing. Now, students, slowly going ahead. Same one, 30 at the 15th one. 14th also same numerical. 15th one also same. Find two positive numbers x and y such that the sum is 35. Means x plus y 35. And I want to product x square y raised to 5 is the maximum. Yes, students, this also I explained for shortcutly. After that, method wise. So in shortcutly, MCQ is you just calculate these two data and you can create your answers. Here do x into x, and here doing y into y into y into y times and 2 times, 7 times. Total even sum 35 divided by 5 into 7. 5. And this 5 I operate here 1 times. It is 2 times of the 5. Your answer is 10. And another 5 times operated. So add 5 times. Your answer is 25. Finished. My answer is 10, 25, sum 35. But required product x square y raised to 5 is there maximum. So my answer is 10 and 25. Finished. MCQ level, this big question is 3 marks question done. Now I go to method wise. Here x plus y summation 35. So suppose choose positive number x and second what? Yes, 35 minus 6. Because y is equal to 35 minus 6. And I want to, which form? X square y raised to 5. X square y is there 35 minus x raised to 5. Y will be 35 minus 6. Now it's created now step 1. So students, your fx is written there x square with the 35 minus x, the 5 power. First derivative step 1. And there it is there x square. Your 5 times 35 minus x raised to 5 times 35 minus x raised to 4 and 0 minus 1. Now second 35 minus x raised to 4. Here this derivative is a 2x. Now students, try to do something common. So here at this x, my common is that 35 minus x, the 4 power, and here 5 power. I take 4 power common. Other x square makes 1x common. So remaining are here x remaining, 5 remaining, minus 3. It is minus 5x plus here 35 minus x. The 1 power remaining because 4 power already we check. X taking only 2 remaining. And further calculated. So I have double test, I have single test x. 35 minus x in 4 power with the x. We have minus 5x, 70 and minus 2x. So you getting only one of the values f dash x, which is 35 minus x the 4 power with the x, and here 70 minus 7x. Now students, I am going ahead. F double dash x must be double dash x for checking. So here x I multiply if you further calculate easiest. So it is a 70 x minus 7x square. So my first double derivative here 35 minus x the 4 power. That derivative is a 70. 7 to the 40x plus. Now 70x minus 7x square. That derivative is a 4. 35 minus x the whole raised to cube and 0 minus 2. Let it them, don't worry, no more calculate. Now step 2. If first derivative 0 taking, and what is my first derivative? That one. Factorize derivative. 35 minus x the 4 power into x. 70 minus 7x is equal to 0. And you can create some values of x. So students, here that level x is equal to 45. But that not exists because if you put it here, why? 35 minus 35. 0, not possible. Why? My question is there, find out 2 positive number. 0 is not positive. Next here, x0, not possible. So finally, you can create last here. 70 minus 7x 0. So students, 7x is equal to 70, x is 10. And y? Yes, y is equal to 35 minus x. 35 minus 10, which is 45. Check. The two data is already been defined in a shortcut way. 10 and 25. And at the last end answer is less than 0. I die. Don't worry. You also write down die. So finally at x then another 25. Your fx. What is your fx? Initially x square y raised to 5 is what? Maximum. And that's your answer, students. And your answer is what? Two numbers 10 and 25. That sum is 35. Yes, students, this also happily. Question number 15. Now, students, continue 16 sum. Same pattern numerical. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16. Is x plus y 16. But asking that sum of whose cubes is minimum. Definitely your answer is 8 and 8. 2 number divide. 16 divided by 2. Here in the cubing asking therefore yes. Very simple. Are you going ahead in this way? Suppose two positive numbers x and secondly 16 minus x whose sum of the cube is minimum. So my function is both sum of cubes. It means x cube 16 minus x cube. And you just start now our step 1. What is step 1? First derivative 16 minus x the whole square and here 0 minus 1. Again f double dash x. Here 6x and that is minus 3. And that derivative is a 2 chance. 16 minus x the 1 0 minus 1. Now further calculate. If you here 6x into the 6 minus plus minus. I mean minus minus plus 6. 16 minus 6. So you can get 16 6 are 96. Sure your value is 96. Greater than 0. It means minimum. Now step 2. Students, I hope you understood step 1 to step 4 all steps. Find maximum and minimum. But here don't write down in word problem. Global and local. Yes. It is only for word problems. So direct or for minimum and maximum. Here students, step 2. We taking f dash x is equal to 0. What is your f dash x? This one. So 3x square. 3 with 16 minus x the whole square with the minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x square is equal to 3. 16 minus x the whole square. This cancel. And here create students. Two answers. Positive either negative. So x is equal to plus or minus 16 minus x. Here getting two answers. Maybe positive, maybe negative. So x is equal to 16 with positive 16 minus x. Otherwise, negative 16 minus x. So my answer is students, x is equal to 8. But in another way, x minus 16 plus x is not exist. 0 is not equal to minus 6. So only x is equal to 8 is here possible. So your two numbers, x is equal to 8 and another 16 minus 6. So you can create 16 minus 8 and going to now step number 3. After that checking at x is equal to 8, just write down f double dash x. Already we checked here 96. And you just apply f double dash 8. It is nothing greater than 0. Therefore, add two numbers 8 and 8. Your fx is what? Minimum. So your correct answer is here 8 and 8. And here students will be easily done. In this way, your question number 16. So here 4 numerical students in same pattern I explained today. Now going to next pattern. Now students, continue question number 17, which is IMP for exam. So tick mark in IMP list. Question is that a square piston of the size 18 centimeter to be made into a box without top by cutting our square from each corner and folding out the flap from the box. What should be the size of the square to be cut off so that volume of the box is the maximum possible? So where is the students? Consider this is your square. Is each sides are known 18 cm. That also 18. Here 18. And here also 18 cm. Each corner I cut it. The square cutting is that x. Each side I cut it. Consider this each side is x, and here also x. So what is the remaining sides here? Yes, here x and here x gone. We have 18 minus 2x. Because 1x and 1x gone. Same here, these sides are 18 minus 2x. Similarly that one. And same as here, 18 minus 2x. Okay, I just explain by practically. Look at that. Consider this is your square page. Yes. And I cutting to each corner. This each corner cutting. This cutting. That cutting and this cutting. In the square face. The question is given the each corner folded up to flat. It means these are the folded in this way. In this way. Here folded and here folded. And making one of the open cuboid. Yes, these are. Open flap cuboid this way. And I want to find out square cutting in the each corner. It means this each corner cutting values is asking. That taking x and here taking this cutting part. If you fold it, look at that. This cutting part if you fold it, that is the height. So initially we have here 18, 1x and 1x gone, 18 minus 2x. Same is here. Here 1x and here 1x gone. It is 18 minus 2x. It means length, breadth and height. This is your height. It is your x. Very easy. Now I start my solutions in going ahead to what the volume is maximum. So suppose this cutting square part from the each corner of given square is x centimeter. This I assume x centimeter. So our remaining part, what is the length, breadth and height? These are the remaining 18 minus 2x. Again 18 minus 2x, and if you fold down that x centimeter. And again I explain, because this is your length, this is your breadth, and that if you fold it, the folded height is your x centimeter. Now volume, length into breadth into height. So I just start volume. V, length, breadth, height, which is length is 18 minus 2x, breadth again, and height is x. Just to multiply it. So my answer is that fx taking 18 minus 2x the whole square into x, and here students I start my value for step 1, step 2, step 3. And easily you create your answer. Step 1. F dash x. So 18 minus 2x the whole square. X derivative plus x is 2 into 18 minus 2x raised to 1 and 0 minus 2. Now continue further solutions. Common taking 18 minus 2x. Remaining are 18 minus 2x square. So one time remaining 18 18 minus 2x common taking, remaining are minus 4x. So what you get? 18 minus 2x and here 18 minus 4x. Sorry, 4 and 2, 6x. This is the first derivative. Now f double dash x. So 18 minus 2x. This derivative is 0 minus 6 plus 18 minus 6x. This derivative is 0 minus 2. Very easy. Don't worry, not calculate further. I am going to step 2. What is step 2? We taking f dash x is equal to 0. This your f dash x. I have this again. 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x is equal to 0. So one answer is very easily create. X is equal to 9. So does this x is equal to 9? 18 minus 2x, 9 to 18. They are not possible here. I write down here. Because if you put it here 9, 9 to the 18 and 18 is 0. The no value for remaining. It means x is equal to 9, not possible. So otherwise, you can go into this term equal to 0. So my data is 18 minus 6x. 18 is equal to 6x. X is equal to 3. And here students, your step 4. After that, step 3. F double dash x. Students, F double dash 3 put it. Here put it down F double dash 3. You can get the value 18 minus 3 to the 6. Minus 6 and here 6 is the 18 minus 18 is 0. So it is your value 12 into minus 6. 72 negative. It means what? At x equal to 3, my function volume is maximum. Therefore, at x is equal to 3, volume is maximum. It means students what? We calculate. Yes, look at that. This is your practical part. This is your square page. I mean square part. I cutting down to each side and fold it. Yes, this each side cutted portion is 3 cm. And if you fold that, you create one of the cuboidal form. It is a maximum volume are attained in this part. And this x equal to 3 is your answer for what is the question? Find out sides of square each side the cutted. This cutting portion is you define here. It is 3 cm. And here students, this numerical is happily done. Yes, now students, same numerical 17 after that 18 also similarly, but I expanded in next part. Students, this part is stopped here. Further explanation I explain you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.